Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
If we are not able to clear where the governor is when it comes to the need to articulate the article wiki Broha, I mean, are you on the same page now? The PDP faithful are listening to you this morning. Where are you as we speak? Is Atiku still your candidate? Are you still going to campaign for Atiku? Are you going to ask all your candidates like Tegbe, who's looking at me, to also do justice to support Atiku?
Well, first, let's start from the genesis of this whole thing. The governors of southern Nigeria came together across party lines. We had the PDP governors in there, APC governors, and ABGA. And we said, look, for peace, for progress, for fairness, for equity, for justice, we ask that after 8 years of presidency in the north, let it come to the south. I was part of that agreement.
That's about accord, right?
Yes. But we got to our own presidential convention. My party chose a northerner as its candidate. I said, okay, fair enough. But what do we do about inclusivity, about unifying this country? And when 17 of us, southern governors, sat to take that decision, did we just take the decision because we felt it's fanciful to have a southern governor? We took that decision taking into cognizance the unity of this country, for people to feel the inclusiveness here. And we said, look, this is not about Seyi Makinde. It's not about Wike. It is about where do we go as a country if certain parts of the country are feeling left out. And if as a party we want to go to Nigerians to say, look, we can unify this country, we can do this for you, we can do that for you. Let us demonstrate that within our own party. We said commit to few things, and I will mention one or two examples. If you have 6 major political positions in this country, and we have 6 geopolitical zones, commit to the fact that each of these geopolitical zones will at least have one of those top positions. Let's take the security arrangement for this country, for instance. If you take the 6 major positions also in the security architecture, you have the Chief of Army Staff, you have the Chief of Air Staff, you have the Chief of Naval Staff, you have the Chief of Defense Staff, you have the Inspector General of Police, you have DG of DSS. You know the occupants of those positions as of today. Commit that the incoming administration will ensure that this you are able to spread across the 6 geopolitical zones. So that is where we are. And we still have the time.
But if they don't,
if my party, has selected, if they've selected a northern presidential candidate, and we're saying demonstrates to Nigerians the capacity to unify this country, the capacity for inclusivity in this country. And if they are not listening to us,
what's going to happen?
I will focus on Oyo State. We will focus on winning our own elections in Oyo State.
You don't think that will affect the fate of the likes of Tegbe, the likes of National Assembly candidates on your platform?
Sir,
hold on a second. He will tell us.
If we are focusing on Oyo State,
yes.
So I should focus on Abuja. Where are the votes?
The presidential election will hold the same day with National Assembly, sir.
Before your own, sir.
Well, you guys always think our people are stupid. No, they are not. See, go and look at the 2019 election. In Oyo Federal Constituency, I won everywhere, the 4 local government areas in that federal constituency. But APC won the same election, the same day. APC won all the state assembly seats in that. And look, let me say this to you. People advising our candidates to say, look, we're having election the same day with our senatorial candidates and all of that. And they're saying, oh, it's dangerous for us. But in the other breath, they will say that, all the northern APC governors are already accepted to work for our own candidate. So they don't have senatorial candidates. They don't have House of Rep candidates. So if it's going to affect us, they know how to vote better than us because they are more enlightened than us here. Nobody should kid anybody. We will win all our elections in Oyo State.
With or without Atiku, you supporting Atiku?
See,
I'm asking.
Write it down.
Yes, I am. No, it's being recorded.
Write it down. We will score 100% in Oyo State because the people have made up their mind. They've tasted several governments in Oyo State. Yesterday, when they were playing Oyo State anthem, somebody said, "Asiwaju Diwa, Asiwaju Diwa." You know, I said, okay. So because this is Oyo State anthem, must we now change the Oyo State anthem because Asiwaju is a contestant?
Yes, Asiwaju is Tinubu.
Well, what I'm saying basically is, I, Seyi Makinde, will not stay in my comfort zone if the needful is not done, because lean freedom to me is better than fat slavery.
Wow.
I am not a slave in this country, and Oyo State people will not vote for slavery. I can tell you that.
Group GM, sir. Group GM. Àwọn bridges Ìbàdàn